In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to save specific answers to a form to a table on Excel. And we're going to be doing this through Power Automate. So first we have our form over here, which is regarding favorite cat breeds, and it asks the individual which one is the preferred cat breed. And we also have our Excel here with two columns, one which is regarding the British breed and then one for the other breeds. So here we're going to start by creating a flow. So we go to create and we select this one. Let's name this cat breeds. We're going to choose our trigger, which is what starts the flow process. So basically a trigger is what tells Power Automate that we need to be starting with the series of steps. So once something happens, the flow of the steps is going to start. So we're going to be choosing when a new response is submitted, since we're collecting data from forms. We're going to be selecting our form, favorite cat breed. And now we choose Get Response Details. Once again, we select our form and the unique ID. Now we're going to be choosing a condition. And we're going to be selecting the value here to what is your preferred cat breed. And here we can write British. So what this does is that if the response to what's your favorite cat breed is British, a series of steps depicted over here will happen. If that is not the case, if it is another answer, then another set of steps may happen, or we may choose to have no steps at all. So let's save this information to a table. So to do this, we're going to click here, and we're going to be selecting Add a Row into a table. This way, we can basically select the answers from all individuals that have chosen British to respond to this and save them in a specific table. So if we want to collect only the information or work with only the information of a specific group of individuals, this is a very useful tool. So we're going to be selecting OneDrive for Business, which is where I have this Excel stored. We're going to be selecting here OneDrive again. Just write the name of the file, in this case is cat breeds. And we select table number 1. So as we can see in this table, we have two columns, British and other breeds. And since here we are selecting what happens if the individual selects British, we're going to be saving this information to British. So select here in Dynamic Contexts the answer to this question. So now the answers of all individuals that choose British are going to be stored here. Finally, we can also select what happens in case this condition isn't met, so in case any other breed gets selected. Let's imagine we want to save that information to this other column, or possibly even another table. So in this case, we're going to come back here and copy to clipboard, which makes the task easier. Then we go to my clipboard here and we select this one. Then we have to open everything again. And here we're going to be saving it to the same location, same library, same file, same table, except that instead of saving the information here, we're going to be saving the information of the breed here. And there you go. This is how we can target specific responses and save them to our Excel sheets.